Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of resetting the Linksys RE3000W Wi-Fi range extender to its factory default settings. This guide is perfect for those troubleshooting connectivity problems or looking to start anew with a different network. Follow along as we simplify the reset process. Let's dive in. There are several reasons you might need to reset your Linksys RE3000W Wi-Fi range extender. Perhaps you're experiencing connectivity problems, you've forgotten your admin password, or you're switching to a new Wi-Fi network. A reset restores the device to its factory settings, clearing all previous configurations. Insert the Linksys RE3000W Wi-Fi range extender into a nearby electrical outlet. Ensure it's positioned in a location where it can easily connect to your main Wi-Fi router. The device should be in an open area, free from obstructions, to achieve optimal signal reception and extension throughout your home or office. Begin by finding the Reset button on your Linksys RE3000W Wi-Fi range extender. This button is positioned on the side of the device and is housed within a small pinhole for protection. You may need a paperclip or similar tool to press it, so ensure you have one handy. Now, take a paperclip or a pin and press and hold the Reset button for 10 seconds. You'll notice the power light on the extender will start blinking. Once the light turns solid, the reset process is complete, and the extender has returned to its factory default settings. Next, connect your computer, laptop, or mobile device to the Wi-Fi network named Linksys Extender Setup. This network should appear in your available connections. Selecting this network will allow you to proceed with the setup process and configure your extender effectively for optimal performance. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the URL http://extender.linksys.com. This action will take you to the Linksys setup page, where you can begin the configuration process for your Wi-Fi range extender. Follow the prompts to ensure your extender is set up correctly.